Hi everyone! So today, we are doing a first impression video on the viral Shark Cryo Glow LED face mask. So this is the one with the cooling under eye technology that you see all over TikTok and Instagram. Is it really worth the hype and the price? Let's find out. Okay guys, so first before we discuss, let's unbox this together. Let me just put the mic on so my hands will be free. Let's open it. So the box looks like this. It already shows what's in the box, which is one mask, one remote control, one set of clip-on, chill pads, user guide, quick start guide, charging cable, plug, and a storage bag. Here you go. So, as you can see, Shark Cryo Glow, the future of skincare. It has LED mask design, attached shields, under eye chill pad, attached clip-on chill pads, and the fit is customized. So, it has different LED routine features such as the better aging, blemish repair, skin sustain, and under eye revive. So let's check the mask. This is how it looks like, guys. First impression, I can see that the mask is very sturdy. And here you can see the LED lights all over the mask. Ano siya, matibay siya. Hindi naman siya super bigat. Sakto lang. I think kaya namang i-handle. And then here, this is the chill pads for the under eye. Galing. And then it's already connected with the remote. So this is the remote control, wherein I think dito mo ma-access lahat yung mga routines. So i-check natin. Siyempre, to understand how it works, meron din ditong provided na user guide. Ayan siya. Complete. So you can just read how to use the mask. Ayan siya. Aside from that, once you remove the mask from the box, it says here, lift tray to see accessories. So once you lift this, andito na lahat yung mga accessories niya sa loob. Ayan siya. May charging cable, I think, merong storage bag. When you travel and then you want to bring the mask with you, you can use the storage bag. And then it also has additional clip-on pads here. And of course, the charger. Let's check the remote. Yan siya, guys. And then it will open. And then here, you can see it says routines, your progress, and then settings. So in the routines, here, I think there are 4 or 5 routines. Wait. Under eye revive, skin sustain, blemish repair, and then better aging. So it's 4 routines. Madali lang siyang gamitin, and then you can also track your progress. There is settings here. Okay, so now let's talk about the pricing. I think the current price for this mask is around 349 to 399 US dollars. So that is around 1499 dirhams, and I think around 20 to 23,000 pesos. So for that price point, I can say that this is a luxury skincare gadget. I think it's up to you if you really want to invest in one. If you're your skin really needs this product, I think it's good to invest in one wherein you can use it for a longer time, so you can just ROI immediately. I think so. It's really an investment, and yeah, so the expectations are really high for this gadget. So actually, I've been using this for I think 3 days now, and the selling point for me is that other mask, as I've checked, has only light therapy. They only have lights, while Shark Cryo Glow has LED, light therapy, and the under eye cooling technology, which I think other masks like Dennis Gross and Current Body don't have. So from these 3 days, I can say that it really feels relaxing, and you can depuff your under eyes while having that experience at home. So those are the major points that I'm considering why I think this is worth the buy. Other first impression na pwede kong sabihin is that it is not very heavy, not also lightweight. It's about enough. I mean, it's fine. The straps are also adjustable, as you can see here. So you can adjust it according to your face frame, or if your head is a bit smaller or bigger, you can adjust the straps. Of course, the look, very aesthetic. Actually, medyo nakakatakot siya nung una pag nag-ilaw na. Parang magugulat ka, but yeah, masasanay ka rin in the long run. And then, it's very comfortable around the eyes and the nose. Hindi siya weird yung feeling. And then, another good thing is that you can multitask while wearing this. You can just clip on, or you can just clip on the remote, and you can just walk around the house, do whatever you want to do while doing your routine with this mask. So yeah, that's another key feature. With regards to their clinical claims, it's mentioned here that our LEDs are designed for optimal result. The same routine once per day for 8 weeks is recommended. And wala pa akong mako-comment dyan because this is just the first impression. So obviously, I can't confirm on the long-term results yet, but it says here for best results, it's better to use it for at least 8 weeks. So I think, yeah, after the 8 weeks, you will definitely see the results. So that's what I want to see after. So let's see. Maybe I'll do another follow-up video after. So wait, pakita ko sa inyo guys. Suot ko siya, so makita rin ninyo kung paano ba talaga yung fit niya sa face ko. Wait lang guys. So ayan, 'di ba? Papasok mo lang siya. So it's very easy. And then, pwede mo nang i-adjust yung straps sa likod. You can adjust the straps as you like. But, like for me, okay na siyang ganito. Yung mata ko and yung mouth ko, right? So, ganun lang siya, guys. For example, I press this, long press. So, nag-open na siya. And then, I want to do, for example, the skin sustain routine. I just press this. Sustain. I just press this again and then press. Then as you can see, nag-light na siya. And then nafe-feel ko na siya sa face ko. And then you just wait until matapos yung time, and then you can go and do another routine. Honestly, sobrang madali lang siyang gamitin, guys. And then if you want to stop, also, you just go press this back button, and then lalabas na yan siya. Do you want to stop now? Yes, no. So you can just end your session if you suddenly have an emergency to go or somewhere. So yes, ganun lang siya, and then it will stop na. Okay, so let's talk honestly a bit about it. Kung gusto nyo talaga ng honest first impression review. So I think, let's start muna sa mga cons para balance, pros and cons. So cons I think, of course, very important is the price. Kung if it's within your budget, of course it's fine. I find it a little bit on the pricier side, but I mean it's really an investment on 1.5 dirham. I mean it's like having your facial done outside as well, which is like around how much is the facial price. So yeah. And then next con I think is that you really need to do you really need to take, I mean, take it seriously. Results will have to take consistency. You need to be consistent with it to get the results. So if you have like this very busy schedule, I don't know if you can fit it to your schedule. So I think you need to be consistent. You really need to set like a time at night to do it, like at least 30 minutes of your time to see the results. And then next will be, of course, this is not an overnight miracle. I mean, I think it's same for all skincare. It doesn't take like one time use, then you will see the results immediately. So it's not an overnight miracle. And then, honestly, for me, it's a little bit bulky, but yeah, it's up to you. See, I mean, I think the current body is a bit flat. I don't know, it depends on your lifestyle or kung ano yung trip nyong gamitin. For me, medyo bulky siya, pero kaya naman, manageable gamitin. Ayun yung cons, honest cons. And then, for pros, I think number one will be it's very relaxing. Pag ginamit mo and then you will really feel relaxed. Second will be very easy to use. You don't even need to read the manual. I think it's very easy. And then the luxury feel, of course, of the mask. Very aesthetic, of course, shark. And then yung cooling feature niya, I think, is one of the pros for me. Kasi nag-ice ako lagi ng face ko sa maga, and I think sa under eyes din yung eye mask, and the under eye cooling is really one of the pros. Then I can't compare it with other LED mask, but I think that the routines are very short. I mean, short treatment times lang, hindi siya super tagal. So I think it's one of their pros. You don't need to use it for longer hours. You just need like at least 30 minutes of your time. Other routine pa nga, it's just 6 minutes, 4 minutes. So I think that's one of the pros. That's it, guys. So far, for me, I understand the hype on it, especially the cooling feature. But whether it's worth 1,500 dirhams, that depends on how serious you are about skincare technology. So yeah. Comment down below if you're planning to buy or you're interested or curious to buy it. And that's it for my first impression. See you again on the next vlog. Bye!